Welcome back to another video. Today we have some new items from Harbor Freight. Don't forget to hit the like button, hit the subscribe, hit the bell if you want to help out the channel so we can buy more tools, make more tool videos. Yeah, that's the way YouTube runs the platform, by subscribers and likes. And if we do get more subscribers and more likes, it helps me out buy more tools. All right, let's go ahead and get started. So we're here at the Harbor Freight website. We got some new tools. It says Predator 3-inch 301cc gasoline engine full trash water pump. So we got a new water pump coming up, 23,000 gallons per minute, or per hour, my bad, not per minute, per hour. $6.99 is the price. So that's a pretty powerful pump right there. If you guys know exactly what how does that work, but yeah, that's a pretty powerful pump there. You guys see the big old pump assembly there, and it is 3 inches in diameter, the connector, the hose connector. I guess that's the interior. That's what it looks like from the inside. Gives you an idea. So yeah, Harbor Freight's putting a lot of quality on these tools, especially anything with the Predator engine there. They're putting a lot, quality on these machines here. That's an example of how you can use that with the hose. I believe they do sell hoses for these pumps. So that's $6.99. I'm pretty sure, like I said, there's coupons coming up for that, or sales. You got a 200 gallon per minute or per hour. Again, 200 gallons per hour submersible fountain pump with auto shut off. So this is like it says here, it's mostly for a fountain or a big like a water for the fish or something like that. Let's see here. Let's see if we got any. This is automatic low water shut off sensor, inline flow control valve, easy to remove screen for cleaning, includes 2 adapters, sprinkler head, and waterfall head. So nice. So if you guys want to build your own waterfall, buy yourself one of these. $24.99 will get you going. Yeah, we got some more lights, guys. Apparently the flip light got very famous in the free flip light, and now they started selling it, and then they just build up one that has a round knob here, and now they have this one. So this is the 2 times bright, or times 2 bright, 328 lumen dimmable LED light switch. So $6.99 is the price, and I guess you can just dim it, from off to on and forward. You get 4 LEDs here, strips. I guess that's the on position, or that's how it will look when it's on. And that's the mounting on the back. So you got 2 mounting ports. You got the battery compartment. I gotta say, it looks really nice. Looking forward to get one of those and do the review. All right, we got the Icon Professional SAE double box ratcheting wrench, 7-piece, $129.99. This is the thinner. This is the double. Yeah, this is pretty much the double box, or you got the regular. You got the regular on this side, and then you got the ratcheting on this side, which becomes very useful because sometimes you don't. You want to put a little bit more torque in there, and you don't want to mess up with the ends, because these are for, I would say these are for lower torque. I don't know. I'm not really an expert with these wrenches. Let me know in the comment down below. But I would think that these are for the higher torque, if you want to really get a higher torque there. Precision machine fits all fasteners. Tough, durable, polished chrome finish. 72 ratchet mechanism, polished chrome finish, premium storage tray included, 72 tooth gear, slim profile design, 12-point box end, allows for easy fastener engagement without slippage, prevents fastener round off. Alright, that's the tool. That's what it looks like on the case. You got a nice case or organizer there for the toolbox. That's the 11/16. Really nice machine. And that's how it looks like. It's, yeah, it seems like it's a thinner profile there, as you guys see there. Especially for these bolts that they're closer to something else. So yeah. It says compared to Snap-on, save or at $524, save $394. Yeah. I don't know if they're the same quality as Snap-on, but they seem to be pretty good quality. You got the professional metric double box ratcheting wrench 10-piece. So it's pretty much the same thing, but this is metric. So you guys see there. See if we can get these pictures a little bigger. It's the same thing basically. And these do come in black, so you'll notice. So you can notice the difference right off the bat. What's this? Well, they all have that. It could be the ratcheting mechanism there. Looks really nice, especially this 10mm. Who hasn't lost a 10mm? Especially if you're working on newer engines. Alright, we got some dust masks here, face masks. So I guess they're selling face masks now. We got the 3-ply disposable face mask, 10-pack for $5.99. I gotta say that's a good price because I went to forgot which store I went to. They were selling them for $1.50 or $2 each masks, and they were like this. They were not the N95 or anything, so they were like this. So I guess if Harbor Freight's gonna carry this, might as well get some masks. I need some for work. So it looks like a pretty decent mask there. It's not. I'm pretty sure it's not an N95 or it doesn't really protect you from. It says non-medical. It says particles for comfort in dirty environments. I guess it gives you some protection, but it doesn't protect you all the way. Like an N95, those are the good ones. These tools we already went over these tools as on the last video. We got some Bauer and some Hercules tools. So this is the 4.5 angle grinder, $44.99, and then we got the cordless compact heat guns, Bauer and Hercules. So, and then we have the Hypermax Lithium cordless auto feed drain cleaner. You guys want to check out that video? Check it out. It's I believe it's a couple videos behind this one. So check out my channel, Toolhead147, and don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button. Remember to help out the channel by subscribing, so we can buy more tools, make more tool videos. All right, we'll see you guys in the next one. Thank you for watching.